guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Marchetti for those who are new, and today I'm doing a video that I wanted to do for a very long time, even before starting YouTube, and it's a DIY video. I'm really a crafty person, although I never do anything like that because I don't know what I'm gonna do after I make it. So today I'm gonna do a little decoration with some flowers, and my grandma just moved, so that'll be the perfect time to be making little DIYs, so I look forward in making more. My grandma has a new place and which is kind of empty, so I get to DIY stuff and give it to her, which makes me really happy because I don't really have space to make DIYs and stay with them. That's one of the reasons I don't make them, because after I make them I don't want to throw it away. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get started.
Our hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones, and when they strike, we light up the world. Hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones, and when they strike, we light up the world. We light up the world. I'm from Mary, you're from White, perfect strangers in the night. Here we are, come together, to the world we'll testify. Our hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our
One eternity later.
and when they strike, we light up the world. Hearts alive, firestorm, and when they strike, feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones, and when they strike, we light up the world.
got a face that makes me feel gold. I've got a place where we can lay low. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I used to be sweeter, but I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I used to be sweeter, but I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I prefer you. Gotta be meaner if we mean it this time. With a ruthless mouth and a vicious mind. Maybe I'm bored, or maybe it's you. It might be good if we could be two. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I used to be sweeter, but I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I used to be sweeter, but I prefer you. I prefer better, though I prefer you. I prefer you.
The sun. We were in love with the sun, sipping on coke and rum. My head up in the clouds, but when I look back now, ain't nothing else I would do. When I spent the summer on you, our troubles all on the rocks. Our troubles all on the rocks, filling our plastic cups. Down by the riverside, we spent those long hot nights until the sky turned blue. When I spent the summer on you. I spent the summer on you. When I spent the summer on you. Most things in life ain't free. Most things in life ain't free, but you were all that I need. My feet down in the sand, you took the watch from my hand and said it's no more use. When I spent the summer on you, we were in love with the sun. We were in love with the sun, sipping a coke and rum. You asked me, are you sure? 'Cause I cannot be returned, and so I made my move. When I spent the summer on you. When I spent the summer on you. And when I look back on those days, there's not a thing that I would change. So when the year is through, I'll be right here to spend the summer on you.
Hey guys, sorry for looking all crazy, but I just finished recording the video and I will say that I really like the results. I didn't expect it coming out so good. My favorite was this one right here, which it was a little more my favorite was this one right here with the lights, although it was more expensive to make. I got the flowers from the dollar store. I got the little light up wires from the dollar store. I don't know how you call them. I got these little things. There are like plants with different smells. I think that's what they are. I'll try to look for the package and put it somewhere here. And I bought a can of glitter, a can of paint, but I got this one that had glitter. Like my grandma loves gold, so I got this one with gold glitter, and I think it came out really nice, white with red and gold. I think it was really nice, and I love the little light up detail I did right here. I really love this one. It's really different, and I think my grandma's gonna really like it, hopefully. And yeah, I think it came out really nice. I also liked this one, which it was really nice, really pretty too. I also got the flowers from the dollar store. I got this from the dollar store, like the other one, the base. I got them from the dollar store also. You can also get it from Michael's. I think the flowers from Michael are nicer, but I just decided to go to the dollar store because my Michael's is a little bit too far. And I don't know, I really like the blue ones, so I got them from the dollar store. I think it was really nice. And yes, I really like the result. I never expected for it to come out like this good, but yeah, I'm really happy, and I'm really looking forward to making more videos like this. I really had fun making them. I really enjoy being crafty. And yes, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and share it with everyone you know. Comment down below what you want to see on my next video, and yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye.